To change the curve style on a display in SSLab, simply double-click on the curve, and you can change the color, and you can change the line style pattern, and you can do that for each and every curve if you would like. Color, pattern, and you can also set on markers, which would show you where the actual data values are. If you zoom in, we can see the crosses where those occurred here. If I want to see that on the red curve, I could also double click and set the marker styles here as well. And now I can see the individual data values. In addition to markers, colors, and patterns, you can also change the trace type. In this case, we have some octave data. Holding down the control key, selecting each of the three curves so that they're all selected at once. And now I'm right-clicking, picking curve style, and I can make a change to all three at once. So in this case, maybe I'd like to see the octaves as block outlines. If I like the block outlines, I can keep it, or maybe I would prefer skyline, and I can switch to skyline. Here I have two different displays with different curve schemes that I might like to use in the future. So if I right-click, pick Curve Style Scheme Configure, you should be sure to press the button Import from Curves. So now I have imported the curve style scheme from this display, and I can save that for later. I'll call it Rainbow. And then I can do the same thing over here. I can go and pick Curve Style Scheme Configure. Here I already have the line style, so I don't have to press Import from Curves, and I can save this as an A-B comparison for later use. Now if I go to a different display, and maybe I'd like to apply one of those two displays there, I can right-click, Curve Style Scheme, Apply to Curves. It comes up with the list of all the schemes that I've previously stored. So I'll pick Rainbow here and hit OK, and it applies it. If I wanted to, I could also go in under Curve Style Scheme and pick Apply to Curves, and I could select the A to B comparison as well and apply it. Here I have four different displays, and perhaps I'd like the curve styles to be the same between them all. If I right-click in the display and I hold down Control, I can pick Display Format, Align, make sure that Curve Styles is on, and when I hit OK, the curve styles will be propagated to all four displays.